futures have been one of the most popular trading products in crypto for years. But if you're in the US, there was one huge problem. You basically couldn't access them. Well, that just changed. Kalshi is the first CFTC regulated US exchange to offer perps to retail traders. And I'm gonna break down exactly what perps actually are, and then we'll jump into a full walkthrough where I show you step by step how to trade them on Kalshi, opening, managing, and closing real positions together. So let's go ahead and get into it. But first, thank you so much to Kalshi for partnering with the O Show. Go down to the description, follow them on socials, and check out the official website. Again, thank you so much to Kalshi for partnering with the O Show. You guys already know perps have been dominating crypto trading globally for years, but retail traders have had limited access. If you wanted to trade them in the US, your choices were pretty much limited to offshore platforms and VPNs, often without the protections that come with regulated exchange and very, very questionable customer support. And it's been an absolute hot mess. Kalshi changes that completely. This is a platform with federal oversight and real legal protections, not some offshore gray zone product with no KYC and no one to help you if things go wrong. And trust me, I've been there. That's a massive win for retail traders like you and me. And as an added bonus, Kalshi is currently offering 0% fees on perpetual swaps for a limited time. So be quick and get it while it's still available. But before I show you the platform and place to trade, let's quickly cover the basics so we're all on the same page. And again, don't forget to smash the like. So Perps lets you trade the price direction of a crypto asset without actually owning it. You're not buying and holding Bitcoin or Ethereum like on the spot market. If you think the price is gonna go up, you go long. And if you think the price is gonna go down, you go short. You open the position, ride the move, and close it whenever you want. And if the market moves in the direction you predicted, you can profit. If it moves against your position, you didn't take a loss. But if it really goes against you, especially with high leverage, you can get liquidated super fast and lose all your collateral in one go. Now, let's go ahead and talk about leverage because this is exactly where most people get wrecked if they're not careful. Leverage means your collateral controls a much larger position than the cash you actually put in. At 5 times leverage, 1,000 collateral controls a $5,000 position. So a 10% price move becomes a 50% move in your collateral in either direction. Leverage amplifies everything, not just your wins, but your losses too. And that's why I always say if you're not an experienced trader, stick to 2 to 3 times leverage, or even 1 time. And I've been in this space since 2017, and I've seen way too many people blow up their entire accounts using insane leverage, yes, myself included. So that's why risk management is super, super important. You should always have a trading plan before you start. Plan your entry, your exit, and exactly how much you're willing to lose. And of course, do your own research. I also highly recommend checking out Kalshi's Perpetuals Learn section. So I'll leave the link in the description for you guys and go read it. They break down everything in super clear, plain language, long and short positions, leverage, funding rates, liquidation risk, and so much more. And it's honestly one of the best beginner-friendly explainers out there. Whether you're completely new to perps or just want a quick refresher, spend a few minutes there before you start trading. One of the most important things to note is funding rates because they don't expire. There's an 8-hour funding payment between longs and shorts. Basically, if you're long and the market is bullish, you may pay a small fee to shorts and vice versa. It helps prevent the contract price from drifting too far away. And on Kalshi, you can see these rates clearly, which is super helpful. Now, just to be clear, Kalshi also offers prediction markets, which work very differently from perps. Perps are all about trading the price direction of crypto with leverage. Prediction markets let you trade on real world events, things like what will the Fed do with rates, sports results, and even crypto price milestones. You can get contracts affordable. The price reflects what the crowd thinks the probability is, and when the event resolves, winning contracts pay out $1 each. And if you're wrong, they go to zero. There's no leverage, no funding payments, and a fixed resolution date. It's super clean and straightforward. And I think it's awesome because you get both styles of trading on one trusted, regulated platform. All right, let me walk you through how to start trading perps on Kalshi. First, sign up for an account and go through the KYC process. It took me a few minutes to get started. You'll also have to fill out a quick application. It's super straightforward, and they ask you some basic questions. Once approved, you can go ahead and fund your account using one of the available methods. Remember to only deposit what you are comfortable putting into a leveraged position. Now, let's place a trade. First, pick the asset you want to trade and choose long or short. Then type in the amount you want to trade with and select your leverage. As you adjust the leverage, pay attention to the liquidation price. You can also set your take profit and stop loss right there. Once everything looks good, you can go ahead and open the position. From there, you can monitor everything in real time. Just scroll down to see all of the details. You can see the close button right there. And Kalshi shows you liquidation risk as healthy, at risk, or high risk, which I think is really helpful feature that a lot of platforms don't show clearly. And if you want to close your position manually, just hit the button and choose how much you want to close. Honestly, Kalshi makes perp trading so easy and simple. The interface is clean, everything updates smoothly, and I love how beginner friendly it is, while still giving you all of the tools you need. It generally feels built with retail traders in mind. And whether you're new to perps or you've been trading them for years, it's nice to finally have a regulated and trusted option available to retail traders in the US. If you want to learn more or try it for yourself, use my referral link in the description below to sign up. Remember to check out the Perpetual's Learn section before you get started. Thank you again to Kalshi for partnering with the O Show. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to drop me a comment and let me know what you think. I read them all.